The golden light spreads across the horizon. You wake up and the world feels different. Day 9. A woman who speaks to horses. Well, I guess we're going to experience the Horse Whisperer today. Welcome, everybody, to another episode of the Vestal Virgin Plays. And today we are continuing our playthrough of Sound of Horses. Last we left off... Let's try that again. Last we left off, we discovered something very, very strange going on in the mountains in the old mine. Or the ravine next to the old mine. We discovered a huge black stone that looked to be some sort of monument, with crystals that were chipped off of it. And it seems the mine here on this island was intended to mine crystals. So we picked up a few of them, and we discovered that that is where the strange lights that people had been seeing were coming from. They were lights that were sort of orbiting and swooshing and whirling around the black stone, and our horses... reacted to them by galloping around the stone, and then we heard the sound of horses running among. It was very interesting and not at all where I thought the story was going to go. But everyone has commented on how strange everything feels, and today we're supposed to meet a self-proclaimed horse whisperer. So let's talk to Lily. Good morning, Vera. By the way, Isabella is waiting for us now. Some say she can really talk to horses. Come on, we ride down to the lagoon. Or we will ride down to the lagoon. All right, Lily, breakneck speed as usual. To the lagoon with us. Do believe the lagoon will be a new area, but we shall find out. Oh, and we're already off-roading. Oh, there she is, I do believe, and she is a very pretty horse. Oh, kind of looks like Lady Hazel. Every horse, it seems, has that specific marking. I'm starting to wonder if that is something that is because of the specialness of the island. Isabella. Good morning. So you are Vera. I have heard so many good things about you. I am a woman of all trades, Isabella. My name is Isabella. Some say I have a special gift with horses, but I think of it as patience and care. Horses speak to us, and we must find the time to listen. Caleb told me that Lady Hazel does not want to eat, and I will do everything I can to help. We start gently and walk into the water first. Oh, some water therapy. Oh, follow me and let her feel the bottom under her hooves before you float out. All right. The water here in the lagoon can heal both body and soul. Oh, I wonder if it's crystal powered by the monument or something. Let the water carry you. Feel the tension leave you in both body and soul. Good job, Lady Hazel. The healing power of water completed. Well done, but I can see she is a little unsure in the water. She needs more water training to feel safe. We can take a few more sessions later so she can slowly get used to it and build confidence. With time and patience, she will enjoy the water fully. Well, thank you, Isabella. Now that I've seen how Lady Hazel swims, I also want to know how she feels after riding. There's a track around the lagoon. Can we ride one lap so I can see how she reacts afterwards? Sure. Fun. We'll do it together. Oh, my apologies, Isabella. And we're off at Lily's usual breakneck speed. We'll certainly see how Lady Hazel feels after this, won't we? Well, we're doing all right so far, I should say. And what a beautiful lagoon, especially with that waterfall. I do love waterfalls. Oh, and here she comes. Well done. I think Lady Hazel showed both willingness and caution. It is clear she carries something inside her, but there is strength there too. I will ride up to Caleb now, and together we will make an assessment. Goodbye. Oh my, all right. Goodbye, Isabella. All right, Vera, you know what? Next to the old factory there is a forgotten paddock that I want to show you. Do you want to come with me? Always, Lily, we are thick as thieves, if you will. Forgotten paddock. Interesting. I wonder what significance that holds for Lily. We shall find out. This area is very beautifully designed, I will say. Oh, I was distracted. Pardon me, Lily. Let me get back up. Come along, Lady Hazel. My apologies. I got distracted. Oh, if we pass by some hay and water, we will, stop here for a moment. Lily, I'm going to feed Lady Hazel. I'll be with you shortly. There we go. Alrighty. Now, where were we? On my way, Lily. Ah, maybe we ought to do some jump training. All right, here's the forgotten paddock. The town tried to freshen it up a little, but it is still almost always empty. I ride here sometimes, but the atmosphere is strange, almost like the place is waiting to come alive again. So, it looks a little empty, but it still holds up. Now, we try riding here. Oh, try the paddock received. Alrighty. I guess we're doing tandem jumping. Some of us, Lily, do not always need to go with breakneck speed. Oh, and who is this? Oh, what do you want? Love how she waves to us, even though she's going to be mean. All right, we can train here more when Lady Hazel is feeling better and we have time to spare. An unexpected meeting, Emily. Hello, I do not know if you want to talk to me after everything that happened, but I want to apologize. Oh, well, thank you, Emily. I keep thinking about what we did. It was stupid, really stupid. Amber said it was only a joke, but when I heard that Lady Hazel became so scared she stopped eating, I felt terrible. Oh, Lily, I'm glad you're so gracious. I understand, Emily. It is brave of you to come here and say it. Amber can be a little tough sometimes, but she does not mean any harm, and sometimes she only tries to look strong. I just wanted you to know that. I never meant for Lady Hazel to get hurt. Me? I missed something there. Should we do something fun? Come on, I want to show you the cross-country course by the old factory. It's the hardest one on the whole island. Oh, well, thank you, Emily. I appreciate it. Hopefully this is a true apology, and this is not going to be another scare. Oh, the old factory, Well, this island was quite built up at one point, wasn't it? I'm sure that, it seems that the It seems that the mine did... the mine disaster did not help at all. All right, Emily. Here is the course, a real challenge. I do not think anyone has cleared it on the first try. Ride behind me and I will show you the way. Alrighty. Alright, ready? Then we go. Follow me. Shall follow you, Emily. And at breakneck speed we go. Oh my, this is quite difficult, isn't it? You can do it, Lady Hazel. Oh, let's not run off the cliff. Oh, and I don't... Oh, Lady Hazel. Girl, you're alright. It's alright. Keep it together. I do think some of the damage maybe could be mitigated by... with not being... you know, such a negative thing with the smaller trees. Oh, goodness. Oh, really utilizing the old mining equipment, if you will. Oh, and then we ride through the factory. Well, that is very interesting. Alright, here we go. That was really fun. It is a tough course, but you can try it again whenever you want. I have to go now, but I hope we meet again soon. Goodbye. Well, thank you, Emily. That was very kind of you, actually. Character development. I'm glad that Emily saw fit to say that she was sorry and that it was meant to be a harmless prank that wasn't so harmless. Come on, let us look inside the old factory. Do you know how many times I have dreamed that it will become a riding hall one day? Oh, that'll be fun. Imagine a big riding hall here on the island, full of life and activity. Would that not be amazing? I appreciate your vision, Lily. After all, why not? Oh, this would be the perfect. I wonder if there's some construction in our future, and what a view the riding hall would have as well. I guess we're just riding around. Talk to me, Lily. Look how big it is in here, and what a location with that beautiful sea view. I couldn't agree more. Could it get any better? I talked to Harriet about it once, but sadly there was no money for it. But a fundraiser, you say? Oh, what a great idea, Vera. If we could really raise the money, the dream could come... Oh my. Maybe instead of a writing school, we need a speech school. Oh, what a great idea, Vera. If we could really raise the money, the dream could come true. Oh. What in the world? Did you hear that? It sounded like a whole herd of horses running past. It is the same sound as in the ravine in the middle of the day. It could not have been real horses. There are no wild herds here. Let's ride away from here. This does not feel right anymore. We have to go back now. The horses seem uneasy, almost stressed. What do you say? Should we take the waterway to the apple farm? The water usually calms them. We can also see if Daisy and Toby are home, but we do not need to say anything about what happened here. Oh goodness, I wonder, literally sound of horses, but what does that sound mean? Now the horses are uneasy. Are we haunted by the ghosts of horses past? I am very curious to see where this story is going to lead. And what the premise is and why we're hearing the sound of horses, if you will. Come along, Lady Hazel, let's catch up to Lily and Dusty. Oh, and I guess we're swimming into the water. Whoop. almost ran out of stamina there. Oh, I would love to have my own orchard one day. Oh, a pretty white horse. Hello, girls. Oh, you swam here with the horses. That was bold. You are probably the first ones who ever took the lake route here. I am so happy to see you. Hello, Daisy. I showed Vera the old factory. We are on our way to Caleb, but we wanted to stop by and say hello. We took the waterway. The horses really love to swim. Toby was supposed to bring an apple pie to my mother, Magdalena, when he came back from the mountain village, but he was delayed. Could you take it to her when you ride past? She has been so sad about Poppy's illness. A small surprise might cheer her up. Well, thank you so much. See you soon. I cannot guarantee that the apple pie will make it in one piece to its intended location, because I love apple pie. I would just be sitting there smelling it the entire time and could not resist, and would probably end up eating the entire thing myself, so just going to fully admit that. I am a fiend for apple pie. Oh, don't get tired. Let's trot a moment, Lady Hazel. Or I wish I could speak canter, Lady Hazel. I do wish I could utilize telepathy, because I am much more intelligent in my head than when I speak, apparently. Alright, dropping off one by apple pie. Hello, Magdalena. Hello, you two. An apple pie, what a surprise. Oh, thank you so much. Daisy's pie is completely irresistible. Exactly, you're welcome for me not eating it. You know, Poppy is feeling much better now. I think the love and care we have given her made the difference. Thank Caleb for everything, and we will see each other again soon. We need to say hello to Caleb. Oh, it is getting late. We have to go back now. To Caleb's. Actually, one moment. Let me feed Lady Hazel. There we go. Well, Lady Hazel is evidently feeling better now that she had a carrot, so we do love to see that. I'm coming, Lily. Again, Lady Hazel is a warhorse, not a racehorse. Oh, just a quick jaunt there. Oh, goodness, I just realized the edge of my mouse is coming off. Oh, he's hooked up to the wagon for some reason. Oops, there we go. Isabella and I agree that Lady Hazel is not suffering from anything physical. It is something deeper, something that weighs on her soul. Oh, goodness, Lady Hazel, what's wrong? I've spoken to a man who might be able to help Lady Hazel. He believes he knows what happened. He agreed to meet you at midnight up by the abandoned house. That seems very sketchy, Kayla. What are you sending us into? Some call him a loner, others call him a shaman who can see far beyond what we can see. Rest for now and give Lady Hazel food and water. I must go, but we will see each other again soon. Oh. I have heard about him, but I've never met him. I will go with you to the abandoned house at midnight. Thank you, Lily. Come on, let us take care of the horses before midnight comes. Lily is ride or die, and I too am ride or die for Lily now, even with her breakneck speed, but I must wonder, is it truly safe to be sending two young women off to an abandoned house at midnight with a strange unknown man? That seems a little odd to me that everyone just sort of accepts that, but I don't think Lady Hazel would allow anything to happen to us. Therefore, we should be fine. But I do appreciate Lily coming with us. It is almost time for us to leave, and it feels like our last chance to help Lady Hazel. Oh, I think she'll be fine. The road to the unknown. It is time we ride there together. I do imagine that you could sort of go off and run around, maybe do some jumping or something, and then come back, but we'll just keep playing. And off we go to the abandoned house at midnight with this strange loner shaman man. And we shall see how that works out for us. Off we go. Right, we're approaching the abandoned house, and I see a campfire up there, where it looks to be the edge of an old railway. And some sort of man sitting by a large fire. This is not sketchy in the least. There he is. Right on, I will wait here. Oh goodness, we're meeting a shaman now. But Lily and Lady Hazel and Dusty have our backs, so I think we shall be alright. Hello there, sir. Oh, cutscene.
Hello?
You have searched for answers that lie deeper than the body.
Luna.
The horse's soul is wounded in a way we may not fully understand. Oh, what happened to her?
Melora.
Path back is not easy, but it takes courage and trust to heal. Shaman, sometimes the ground whispers secrets from the deep. Listen to your heart, Vera. It is not the ground you follow, but the souls that called you here. The souls? Oh, goodness. The horses have chosen you. It is both a gift and a trial. The key to the unknown lies in your love for Lady Hazel and in your pure heart. To help her, we need a healing ritual. The light in the ravine is a sign that the worlds are drawing close, and the ritual can only be done when the worlds almost touch. When the moment comes, I will call the spirits and let the power of nature heal Lady Hazel. Oh. Speaking of which, let me take care of you, Lady Hazel. I'm so sorry that you had such a fright, and I'm sure the healing ritual will heal all of the ills that I have done her in our mischief running around attempting to jump. Alright, Mr. Shaman man, so 2 worlds. The horses, plural, have chosen me for some reason. I'm not sure why, especially since I was gone for quite a while, but I guess we'll find out. When I saw you by the fire with him, it felt like the world was moving towards something greater, something we do not fully understand. Come on, this place gives me the chills. And he said that it was a... Oh, and he's gone already. That is terrifying. He said it was a gift and a trial that the horses have chosen. Chosen us specifically, so I guess we shall find out exactly what that means. Oh, what a scenic view. How pretty. I knew the island had something special. My father once said that there are forces beyond what we can see. When I was a child, I did not understand, but now I am beginning to see it. You know, he disappeared in the accident when I was little. They searched for days without a trace, as if the ground had swallowed them. I cannot let it go, and I have always hoped he is alive and will return one day. Come on, let us ride home. It is late. Tom is probably worried. Poor Tom is probably stressing about Lily, and then us by proxy now that we are Lily's dear friend. But now that she says that, I wonder if maybe the monument or the stone or whatever, instead of everyone dying in the mine accident, perhaps the stone snatched them away and took them to a different place. And the shaman said the 2 worlds must touch. So what if everyone in the mine accident, instead of being, killed, what if they were actually pulled into that other world and are in a sort of halfway place, if you will? And part of the things that the story is moving us towards is actually bringing everyone back from that other world. That would be interesting now, wouldn't it? But I'm very curious to see where this story will lead. Right. On our way back to Tom and Lily's farm. I do hope there is romance. I would really like to romance Tom. I think that would be quite fun. Oh, are we not going back to the farm? What a night. Everything feels unreal. I do not understand what is happening. Come by the ranch tomorrow and we will talk more. Good night. See you tomorrow. Oh, I thought we were riding back to the ranch with Lily. Normally what I would do. It was a night full of answers and even more questions. Best now because the dawn carries something new. Oh, how fascinating. Well, Lady Hazel, you heard them. We shall rest for the dawn carries something new. I'm very excited to see what new exactly. I want to know what's going on. Fascinating. Well, what a day. We've discovered that we have been chosen by some horse spirits of the island. And we've gotten a hint that maybe those who, quote, died in the mining accident may not actually be gone. Maybe they are in another world. We also discovered that Lady Hazel received such a fright that it hurt her soul. And now the only way to heal that wound on her soul is to conduct a healing ritual when two worlds meet. So a lot to unpack there, but I am very much enjoying the story of this game so far. It is intriguing, and I'm very curious to see what the developers have done in order to sort of connect everything. Again, intriguing story, very well done. I'm enjoying the game, and I hope you are as well. So join me next time as we dive into Day 10 with a dawn that promises answers, I should think. So we'll find out next time on Day 10 of Sound of Horses. Pax vobiscum. Goodbye.